guys, my name is Parag and welcome back in the new video. In this video, I'm going to provide you one highway DPR Excel format which you can use in your day-to-day practice, and using this you can create your daily progress report. This is one of the very important format that you are looking for since a very long time, and this video is totally providing you a detailed insight about how you can use this format. If you want to download this format, you need to visit my website, okay, which is www.civilnotes.com. You need to come here, okay, and in the download section you can download this file, right? So let's get started. First of all, let's understand how to use this format. So we have a highway construction daily progress report, okay. This is created by me, okay, so I will just inform my name over here. Then you have a general information. So in general information, you have to mention your project name. Like I have mentioned here, NH44 upgrade is one of my project. Kilometer 150 to 180 kilometer. This is the range. I have my DPR report number. I have created my report number as a DPR 2024125. Okay. My report date I have mentioned here, and I have also mentioned the weather. Why weather is very important? Because when there is a construction, the weather is very important at what weather you are working, right? Now, in second point, you have to mention work progress summary. So in work progress summary, you need to mention what progress, okay, you are performing, such as you need to mention here activity like excavation, earthwork, wet mix macadam, asphalt concrete, culvert construction, and road marking. You have a different changes like from this change to this change you are working, from this change to this change you are working. The unit of your work, like in what unit you are working, like you are working in a meter cube. If you are working for the asphalt concrete, so you might work in tons. If you are doing the box culvert construction work, then you are doing working in the numbers format. Then how much work that you have planned, like for the culvert construction you have planned one number of culvert, how much you have achieved today, and what is the cumulative achieved. It means till date how much number of the box culvert you have achieved, right? That you need to mention here. In term of the road marking, you can say that 1000 meter is your planned, okay, in which you have achieved 1000, and as on date 1000 meter work is done. In terms of the excavation, see, you can see here in this kilometer change there is a 1500 meter cube work was planned, whereas today you have achieved 1650 meter cube, and as on date you have reached 45000 meter cube, okay. So I think this is a good representation of the work what was planned based upon the activity, and how much work was done and how is completed today based upon the plan. Then if I come down, I have a resource summary, like how many manpower I am using. Like I am using project manager, site engineer, supervisor, surveyor, skilled labor, and unskilled labor. What is the status of my plant and actual labor? That how many plant manager I have and how many people are working. Okay. In skilled labor, you can see 40 was planned, but actually 38 people only are working. So this is a good representation of the highway construction for the daily progress report. Similarly, you have a resource summary with respect to the machines. Like you have excavator, you have a dump truck, you have a grader, you have a roller, asphalt paver, and the water tank. So how many hours of work was planned? Like for excavator, you have planned 16 hours, but actually it is working for 18 hours. So from this analysis, you can understand, oh, there is a huge amount of cost we may gonna incur for a day. You can see we have a roller of 16 hours was planned, but it is working for 16 hours. Okay. Asphalt paver planned for 8 hours, but it is only work for a 7 hours. So from this area, you can analyze that, okay, we have planned something, but it is not properly utilized. Then if I come down, you have a material consumption. Like what are the materials that you have planned? What is the unit of that material? Like aggregate of 20 mm in a meter cube. What was the opening balance? Okay, so opening balance was 5000 meter cube. How much we have received today? We have received only 1500 meter cube. we have consumed among these 1100 and our closing balances was 5400, right? So in this particular way you can see we have a working, like what was the opening balance, how much we have received today minus what you have consumed. So based on that, this is your reconciliation. Similarly for the cement bags, how many opening balance you have? 1200 cement bags. Today you have received, today you didn't receive anything but you have consumed 50. It means from this 1200 you will minus whatever you have consumed. It means you have 1150. Now you need to mention, you need to look into what are the notes, what are the issue and the delay for a particular day. So see, we have minor delay in wet mix macadam laying due to the temporary breakdown of one roller. So I have mentioned here that there is a minor delay in our work, WBM, okay, wet mix macadam. Why? Due to the laying of the temporary breakdown of the one roller. So our one roller was breakdown. That's why we didn't perform the wet mix macadam laying. All safety protocol were followed. No incident were reported. Extra drum truck were deployed to accelerate the earthwork. So here we can see that we have deployed um, extra earthwork, so we can do this exercise, right? And we can complete our work. And then the contractor representative can sign here and planning engineer can sign here. So this is one of the basic report which I have created. I hope you like this format. If you wanted to download this format, I suggest you can go to my website, okay, and once you go there you can download it very easily, right? So you need to go to my website, okay, here, come to the download section, okay, and you can, from download section you can easily download, and you can also just go to the knowledge section, okay, notes section, and you can learn most of the things. Okay, I hope you like this video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.